Hey guys, so this is video probably 11 of the rebuild for the 2004 Mercedes c230 w203 1.8 engine. The differential is still in, just like it was in the last video. Now I wish I could try and remove it while I'm making a video, but I can't. There's limited space here. I don't have a tripod or anything to put the phone on, but I'll explain everything how I removed it, if I can remove it. Okay, so make sure you look at all the videos, because you have to take off at least one side, the hub and some ball joints, or some other bolts on the arms on one of the sides. I think you should take them off on the passenger side, because the muffler is on the other side. Now some people say you can't get it out unless you take both sides off and drop the muffler. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I know I told you this already, how I got this axle off. There was no clip inside here. Let's see if I could get you over here. Okay, so right here there's usually a clip holding the axle in, and there's no clip, and there was no clip on the other side. So these come out by putting the screwdriver, I guess, into here and pushing and then tilting the screwdriver, and you pop it out a little bit, and then you could probably gently, so you don't damage anything, then go from this other side. Let me do it here because it's light. Well, it's a little bit light. Like right in between here, and then you pull it out, like maybe like this will help you get it out. You just need to get out a little bit, so be careful where you're digging. You don't want to put any nick marks in anything, because when the axles go around, you don't want the seal over here to rip. Alright, so be careful where you're sticking the screwdriver. Now, here's the problem. This one, even without the phone in my hand, and I held the differential, I still can't get this axle out. So I'm going to have to take a chance and hit this screwdriver in with a hammer. And then we'll see if it pops, in. So hold on one second and let me see if that works. Okay, so good news. It came right out with one little tiny tap. Hope you could see it. Get this light in there a little more. Okay, so it pushed in. That's all you need. Okay, now I don't want this axle dropping when I pull the differential. So let's see, I don't think I have any more jacks available here, so I can't put a jack underneath it, but it looks like I may be able to get my hand up there and tie it to that chassis part right there. So I gotta get some string and then see if I can get my hands up there and tie it around so it doesn't fall down. Or let's see, if I would have took off this plastic cover that covers the gas tank on the passenger side, I probably could have dropped it down and let the axle lean on the muffler. I wonder if I could do that. So, alright, so I'm definitely going to have to put down this phone because I need two hands. I really need like 3 hands. But, let's see if I can get it out. I think it looks like it would it will come out. Once it comes out of that axle, it just, the back of it will come down, and then should come right out. But I have to pull it towards the passenger side first, about maybe 3 inches, because that's how much of the axle is still in the differential. Alright, so let me do that, and I'll tell you exactly what I did. Alright, talk to you in video 12.